Hey Blaze, where are we at? Not very talkative this morning. So we're here at Capulin RV Park, a small little RV park in northeast New Mexico. You got the volcano right over there. At this campsite, it's all full hookup. You got sewer, water, electric. You have your 50, 30, and 20 amp. There's a little dog area to take your dogs to the restroom right over there. They do have some restrooms over here, which are always clean and nice. The laundry room's really nice. Everything works. And the funny thing is there are actually 3 reflections here early this morning. I got a picture of that, so I'll throw that up here. There's like 5 RVs in this campground today, and 3 of them were reflections. They do have a dump station right by the dumpster. The road noise is barely anything. This is kind of one of the main roads in the area, but it's really still not that heavily traveled. It's a fairly cheap spot, and AT&T, I think it was like 12 down, about 10 up. Verizon was a little bit better, like 20 and 10 or something like that. So you're like 7 minutes away from the volcano, which is awesome. And there's a bunch of other cool little things to do, little museums and stuff in this area too. We will see you guys on the road. We're now heading towards Colorado, and it's gonna be freaking amazing. Beautiful views everywhere. Gotta cross over the Rocky Mountains today. All right, you ready to go Colorado?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay.